Happy Friday! So we are here and today we have 3 Airbnb cleanings. So it's a busy day. We have all hands on deck. Well, Jeanette. She's our main cleaner and she helps, she kind of helps with everything cleaning. So she gets the cleaners in order. Yeah, Romel and Russell. So we're actually going to go over to the first Airbnb right now. We got to drop off some paper towel and some sheets, and then we'll head to the next Airbnb.
Hey!
Let's go!
Let's go for cleaning.
My girl Jeanette likes her 80s.
I'm 1980s.
Sometimes I play them for her. All right, Jeanette, what do we got back here in my messy car? Don't judge me, people.
I bring you this one.
All right, perfect. Oh, did you get the spray?
Yeah, I did.
You got it? Okay. So we're just doing a little drop off of supplies here. So what I started doing is I actually started doing a 3-month supply. That was kind of my new idea. Like, okay, let's write out everything we need as far as like cleaning supplies and snacks for the welcome basket. And yeah, order those on a 3-month inventory list. Like, let's order a supply of 3 months just so that we're not always coming and dropping off supplies all the time. So here we go. Hello.
Hi.
We're invading your space. You're on video. Say hi.
Hi.
This is Romel.
Yeah, Romel. Yeah.
Hello,
Cleaning the
Romel.
house. Yeah.
You're going to be YouTube famous, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So Romel's here cleaning. This guest early today, so I think it was like an 8 a.m. checkout. Typically it's a 10 a.m. checkout, but they let me know they were leaving early. So that's always nice when that happens, because then you're not stressed to get all the cleanings done before the 3 p.m. check-in. So anyway, we're off to the next Airbnb because there's another one closer to Niagara Falls that needs cleaning today as well. Okay, y'all, we're here at 70 Concord. This is our Airbnb that's close to Niagara Falls. People love it just for that reason. So when I drop off the cleaners, well, actually, we have a cleaner now that has a car, which is great. That's who's here today, Russell. But when I drop off Jeanette, I like to just check my grass situation. We got some weird grass going on here. But yeah, I like to check we don't need a grass cut, if I need to contact our maintenance guy or not. So I kind of keep tabs on that, just anytime I stop by the property. Here we go. Let's go say hi to our other cleaner. I think we have 3 cleaners now. Probably need more as we get more Airbnbs.
Daisy.
Oh, Daisy, that's right. We have 4.
Russell. Russ.
Oh, I hear him coming. I think he's in the basement. Oh, I love this little plant. It's so nice to add some greenery in the house.
Hello. Where are you?
Russell?
Oh, sorry.
Hi, Russell. You're going to be on YouTube, okay? Okay, I'm sorry.
Just get the garbage.
Yeah, awesome.
You're done?
This is one of my favorite Airbnbs. It gets a lot of light in here, which is nice. So yeah, Jeanette and Russell are going to tackle Concord today and Blackberry, and they're going to get it done. So since we've been getting more and more new cleaners, I actually created a cleaning list that we're going to start implementing and sending it off with, well, basically just leaving it at each house so that every time a new cleaner arrives or a fairly new cleaner arrives, it's a checklist that they can make sure that they haven't missed anything. Because if you think about it, there's a lot of steps involved in cleaning an entire house, and it's easy to miss those little details. Okay, quick recap, because that was a lot going on there, and I feel like I was kind of rambling. But, so key things from this video. Inventory list. So when we first started the Airbnbs, when we initially got all the furniture and all the artwork and everything we needed for the house, we also put an order in for cleaning supplies and snacks for the welcome baskets. But what was tending to happen is that my cleaner was always contacting me. At the time, we only had Jeanette, and she would contact me and say, hey, we're out of Windex at this house. We're out of cleaning spray at this house. We're out of toilet paper. So I said to Ryan, like, it just feels like I'm always running out of supplies and quickly. So then we decided to make an inventory list of what we need for cleaning supplies and snacks for the welcome basket. And so I made a list. We have that. It's really good to have one of those because when you do a reorder, it's quick and fast. So now we try to do a supply of about 3 months, and that kind of keeps us going for a while. And I'm not constantly going out and purchasing those items. And you can also buy in bulk. Another thing is I did mention the property maintenance. So I mean, I get my cleaners to water the grass when they're here, but I kind of keep an eye on when it needs to be cut, and I am the one that communicates that to our maintenance guy. And it's just a quick text, hey, these properties need cutting, and he goes out and does that for us. Lastly, I referred to a cleaning list that we have. So we didn't always have a cleaning list. Initially, I trained Jeanette, and I showed her how to clean the whole house and how kind of like my standards and how I wanted it to show to the guests when they arrived. But now we have made a cleaning list because we went from 1 cleaner up to 4 cleaners. So basically it outlines each room, living room, bathroom, bedroom, and it tells them exactly what to do in every room. So it could be like dust the windowsills, clean the toilet, Windex the mirrors, and it just outlines everything. So this is really good for new cleaners because it's a lot to remember to go through a whole house and clean it and have it the way that the host would want it. So a cleaning list is key. So hope you enjoyed the video today. I am going to go drink some Starbucks, I think, and work on my other job on my laptop. Have a good day, guys.